Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant not launching on Windows 11. First, let us check if TPM is enabled in Windows. Click on the Windows search bar and type TPM.msc. Open it. A small window will appear. Look for the status message. If it says TPM is ready for use, then TPM is already enabled. If it says TPM not found or TPM is disabled, then you need to enable it in BIOS. Next, check Secure Boot. Open the Windows search bar again and type misinfo32. Open System Information. In this window, look for Secure Boot State. If it says On, then Secure Boot is enabled. If it says Off, then it needs to be turned on. If any of these are disabled, restart your computer. While the PC is starting, press the BIOS key. The key depends on your motherboard. Inside BIOS, look for settings like Security, Advanced, or Trusted Computing. For TPM, you may not see the word TPM directly. It can be called Intel PT on Intel systems or FTPM on AMD systems. Enable this option. Now find Secure Boot. It is usually under Boot or Security Settings. Secure Boot makes sure only trusted software loads when your PC starts. Set Secure Boot to Enabled. If there is an option for OS type, select Windows UEFI mode. After enabling both settings, save changes and exit BIOS. Your PC will restart. Once back in Windows, launch Valorant again. The game should now open without the TPM 2.0 error. Thanks for watching.